Welcome to Genova, a gated mid-rise luxury community with resort-style amenities right here in the heart of Estero. This rarely available second-floor courtyard residence with private terrace offers the largest floor plan with almost 2,000 square feet of air-conditioned space. Let's go and check it out. The residence features a large living room that floats between the outdoor retreat and a gourmet kitchen. It also includes 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a den, and a large laundry room. With an oversized private 2-car garage under the building plus separate storage. Genova's beautiful amenities include a zero-edge resort pool, indoor lap pool, sauna and massage, bocce court, and a state-of-the-art fitness center. The community is located within minutes to beaches, restaurants and shopping malls, including the popular Coconut Point Mall, Miramar Outlets and Gulf Coast Town Center. Thank you for viewing my newest listing. Please call me for more information and to set up a private showing. My name is Ursula Weinkauf with Focus Group at Local Real Estate.